this is Martina from Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Today we're looking at the 2015 Chevy Suburban. It's a champagne color. We're just going to go over it really slow. We're kind of losing light tonight, so I'll try to get as much in as I can. Wheel well. I don't see any rust. Tires are in great shape. See here. This is an LS. We're going to go in the driver passenger door. Don't see any scratches. This does have third row seating. The seats are in great condition. I don't see any wear and tear. No stains. Carpet's in great condition. Or I guess it's not carpet. The rubber's in great condition. So this does have the nice floor mats. We're off to the driver's side. Seats are in great condition. I don't see any rips, tears, stains. A little scuff mark here. All the buttons. It's the middle console. This is a bench seat up front, so you do have an extra seat up front as well. Everything's in great condition. Wheel well once more. Tires, good condition. It's the unit from the front. This is a beautiful rig. Passenger side wheel well. I know people like to see this. Tires again. I haven't seen any scratches or nicks yet. Backs of the mirrors look good. Windshield, perfect. This is a great vehicle. Super clean. I'm gonna look in here quick. I don't see any nicks or scratches in here, any scuff marks. Again, there's a really nice weather tech in here. Alrighty. You see the back seats a little bit. Again, the back seat over here. I don't see any stains. The door. Alright. Still haven't found any scratches or anything yet. inside the wheel well, so you can see anything. We do apologize for the lagging, it is getting a little bit late. And this is the back. Easy to open, tons of cargo room. Again, the WeatherTech mats. Super clean vehicle. Alrighty. Alright, if you have any other questions, please let us know.